Well, a very active weather pattern is now in place for today on this Wednesday. A very rare day one high risk now in place for parts of Memphis, Little Rock, Pine Bluff, kind of extending all the way towards parts of Kentucky as well. Here in northeast Mississippi, we do have the risk for some severe weather, but again, the main threats for severe weather are going to be off to our north and our west as we go into today as well. On Futurecast, remain cloudy as we go throughout the next couple of hours. Then we're already going to see some storms start to fire going into Wednesday night. Again, not really a lot of storms here in the Golden Triangle. We're going to watch some of those storms off to our west in parts of Coffeyville and then along that I-55 corridor. Again, a large system coming into play tonight with a long squall line starting to form going into Wednesday night, really into early of the overnight hours going into Thursday as well. Again, not going to see a lot of showers here in the Golden Triangle region, which is good for us. But again, some of our far northwestern counties could get a storm or two, which could produce some large hail, also some damaging winds, but mainly that tornado threat off to our north and west. That doesn't mean we're out of the clear yet. We do have another severe weather risk going into Saturday. The Storm Prediction Center already outlined most of our viewing area in that enhanced risk for severe weather going into Saturday night into the early morning hours into Sunday. Again, we've been dealing with lots of severe weather over the past month of March, and heading into April, it's just going to be the same story. Again, we'll start cloudy by Saturday afternoon into the really evening hours, and then we'll start to see that band of storms start to push through the area. Again, main risk with this going to be large hail, damaging winds, and of course, we cannot rule out that tornado threat as well. This is Sunday around 3 a.m. going to be an overnight event. Again, most of our events here in the southeast are usually nocturnal, so it's a very important to have that NOAA weather radio and ways to have watches and warnings, especially on your phone, especially going into the overnight hours as well. So again, a lot happening weather-wise over the next couple of days. Temperature is going to be skyrocketing into the 80s going into today. 87 for our high for our Wednesday. Staying mostly cloudy here in the Golden Triangle, maybe a couple showers off to our north and west. Then preparing for our next severe weather event going into Saturday. Those temperatures still into the 80s, finally clearing out and cooling down into next week.